permit sticker.
for the golf day. No, that's a gate sticker. Where's
You've
the?
got no permit sticker.
But then you must go back to the gate and get a permit sticker. So, your first time you're playing here.
Okay, then you want to phone Mr. Kobe Base. It's his golf day.
Yes.
Now ask him who we are.
Who are you?
I'm Andre Vosloo.
But other guys, Peter Duplessis. What the hell have got that to do, sir? You know, just wasting my time because
you're
you're
wasting my
dropping names here, sir.
Yeah, you're dropping names.
I'm Sniper Saab. I'm the official here, and I'm doing my work.
Start by you, the official.
But where's the sticker?
Where's your fucking Sira? Show me your Sira. Show me your Sira certificate.
So you're not making sense. Did you
man.
drink anything?
You security, show me your Sira.
I'm sure you're under influence, sir. Did you drink anything this morning?
You, man.
Joe, just send me Tokola, please. I've got a problem here. Someone is under the influence. He's getting very aggressive here.
Ja, kom met jy uit buitekant toe want dis 'n fucking security wat jy my
Language, sir. Language.
Wat my baie kak gee hierso by die ingang. Kom met jy uit by die pro shop.
Kobe is the insurance guy, sir. He's not from the security company.
Me, yeah.
But can you play? Do you play golf?
Do you think what do you think I'm doing here?
But can you play golf?
I can't.
You play today, but can you play? You've got a handicap.
What's to do
Because
with you?
people like yourself with such an attitude, sir, normally don't have a handicap.
Wat is jou storie?
Ja, en jy
First of all, this guy was extremely rude when he arrived, okay? I've just got a job to do.
my kak. Wys my jou Sira.
So, wat het Sira met dit te doen?
Want jy is nie fucking gemagtig om my te vra as jy nie 'n security guard is nie. Ek fucking taai jou aan, chom.
I've never ever seen this in my 25 years.
You heard about Sira. Where's your Sira certificate?
Wat 'n besigheid het jy?
Security.
Andrei, regtig waar?
Ek weet presies maar so ek vra jou, waar's jou Sira sertifikaat?
Nee, ek vra net vir jou, waar's jou permit? Jy het nie 'n permit op die
Moenie my kar so klap nie, dan gaan ek jou push.
Moenie
En hy vloek soos 'n matroos hierdie man. Hy het sy vinger in my neus gedruk al 2 keer. Hy vloek soos 'n matroos.
Kar so klap gaan ek jou
Hy het nie 'n handicap nie.
Ja.
So jy sit daar as 'n driver passenger nê, en nou is jy die man wat weet wat aangaan.
Hy wysel kry vir ons iemand die wat hierdie ou so
Wesel van waar is julle mense? Ek bedoel dis onnodig regtig waar. Hy gooi 'n tantrum soos 'n 10-jarige seentjie nê. Ek het nog nooit so iets gesien nie.
dit vertel my is kan
Hy
jy
vloek,
speel?
hy vloek non-stop. Non-stop.
Kom ek vra
relax net laat weet.
relax.
Waar
Ek ken nie jou. Ja, ek wil seker ken jy. Bliksem. Mense rond man.
Ek was ons op.
Andrei,
Ek wou seker nog nooit.
kyk net vir my in daai kamera en sê jy die pranks, ek is uitgevang.
Kyk kamera.
Ek is of hierdie man weet wat aangaan en of hy nie weet wat aangaan nie.
Spinning my fok. Ek het hom gesê ek seker ken.
Security guard my so gedoen.
Hy soek 'n Sira. Wat is 'n Sira?
Kasira is as jy geregistreerd is. Something geregistreerd.
Ek weet nie wat dit is nie, so ek kan hom nie antwoord nie.